How's Jason today?
Good, thanks Tom.
What have we got here? What do we got?
We have the Eachine E160 dual brushless helicopter.
From our friends at Banggood.com.
Absolutely, yeah. So this has got a built-in gyro with the 6G system, as everybody's calling it now. The kind of hands-off hovering that it'll allow you to do and won't sort of tilt past about 20 degrees and enables you to fly quite safely. If you've come from a fixed pitch heli where the rotor speed dictates if you're going up or down, to this is a collective pitch heli, so the rotor blades twist, which enables you to fly inverted as well. So a really good starting point for your first collective pitch heli, because you have that mode which will make it feel a lot like a fixed pitch, easy to fly heli. So this is the box it comes in. You get everything you need in the box. You get battery, or apart from the AA battery for the controller, but you get the controller, the heli, some tools, some spare blades and bits and pieces. So really nicely packaged in there.
Where's he gone? Oh, there he is.
This is the heli itself, so quite a small heli. Really nice machining on the swash there. Nice plastic blades, a brushless motor on the tail as well. So really simple and hopefully relatively crash proof as well. So it looks like it will put up with quite a bit of abuse from a learner. It does come with this this transmitter. However, it is Futaba SFHSS compatible.
Which means if you have your own Futaba transmitter, you could use that.
Absolutely. I have my own Futaba transmitter that I could fly it on, but I thought, let's be fair and use the transmitter it comes with. Actually quite a good transmitter. You've got quite a few programming options on there, and they printed on for you as well, 6G mode, 3D mode, etc, etc. So, and you've got high and low rates, which it tells you on the transmitter as well. So really nice little package. Let's get it in the air and see how it goes.
Yeah, too much chat, Jason. People want to see it fly. Come on.
Let's go fly. I'll try it in 6G mode first.
So sorry, 6G, fully stabilised.
Fully stabilised, yeah. So I should.
As if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing.
Much like us.
Well, me. I don't know about you when it comes to helis and A10s.
So,
hold on. So it's really limiting what you can do.
Yeah, so that's right? Full forward.
Full forward.
Which is still quite quick. But that's absolutely full forward again. So it really limits the angle that you can fly at.
And certainly won't let you fly, roll to inverted or do anything like that.
This is also on quite a low head speed setting as well. So what you have is you have idle up, which if I flick it, you'll hear the difference in motor.
Oh yeah.
So that's now a bit more, and then if I flick another button, that's now out of stabilised mode. So it's a lot more responsive.
So what? Sorry, what mode is this?
This is now in 3G mode.
3G mode.
So kind of a unaided mode.
Looks good. You make it look easy, Jason, that's the problem. So would this literally make a good first heli for somebody who's never flown helis before but has done a bit of RC flying?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, what you've got with this is the 6G mode, which, as you saw, it really limits. I can't roll it inverted in 6G. If I push the stick all the way one way, it will just stay at that attitude and just kind of fly off, which a small heli like this, you're not going to break by doing that, so that's no problem. But you have then, once you feel comfortable, you can just flick a switch, and as you see, it's quite capable for a little heli. You know, it does loops and rolls, and
yeah,
you know, it will fly upside down. That was genuinely the first flight with this heli as well, so you know, kind of getting to learn the heli as well. So we'll have a few more flights with it, and maybe hopefully get a bit more, some better footage, and maybe cut the grass upside down with it.
You what?
Do some inverted
Let's
flights.
do that. Let's do that now. We'll come back. We'll do another video on that. But thanks.
Yeah,
that's it. Yeah.
Really impressive. The transmitter is probably one of the best transmitters we've been given with a
Ready
model.
to fly. Yeah.
The fact that it's actually got a nice LCD display and you can see everything on there. And also, I will try for the next video. I'll try binding it to my Futaba transmitter and go from there. As well.
Okay.
So cool.
Good. Thanks very much, Jason.
No problem.
Okay. So if you're interested in buying one of these, then the link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Look it up, see what the price is, think you'll be surprised. That's the Eachine E160. Great as a first time heli, or if you know, to progress to the next intermediate level, we recommend it. Thanks very much, Jason.
Thanks.